Hydration is critical for supporting kidney function and preventing kidney issues. Drinking adequate water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, promoting optimal kidney function. Aim to drink at least 8–10 glasses of water daily to keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning efficiently. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals to provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support kidney health. Foods rich in potassium, such as bananas and sweet potatoes, can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Regular exercise is beneficial for overall health and kidneys. Physical activity helps improve blood flow to the kidneys, promoting better filtration and waste removal. To support kidney function, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Avoiding excessive salt and sugar intake is essential for kidney maintenance. High salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, which can strain the kidneys over time. Excess sugar consumption can also contribute to kidney damage and increase the risk of kidney disease. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and limit your intake of salty and sugary snacks to protect your kidneys. By following these tips and making small lifestyle changes, you can take proactive steps to maintain healthy kidneys and support your overall health and well-being. Detox and healthy breakfast ideas. Start your day on a delicious and nutritious note with breakfast ideas that support kidney detoxification and promote overall health. Here are some creative and kidney-friendly breakfast options to kickstart your morning routine. Try blending watermelon, pineapple, and kiwi for a refreshing and kidney-cleansing smoothie. Watermelon is hydrating and rich in antioxidants, while pineapple and kiwi provide digestive enzymes and vitamin C. This vibrant smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Oatmeal is a versatile breakfast staple that can be customized to support kidney detoxification. Try topping your oatmeal with a mix of berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, and a sprinkle of nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, while nuts provide healthy fats and protein, making this a kidney-cleansing breakfast option. Consider avocado toast topped with sliced tomatoes and fresh herbs for a savory twist. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in potassium and healthy fats, which can support kidney health. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help protect the kidneys from damage. Pairing these ingredients with whole grain toast creates a balanced and kidney detoxifying meal. Incorporate these creative and nutritious breakfast ideas into your morning routine to support kidney detoxification and overall health. Whether you prefer a refreshing smoothie, a hearty oatmeal bowl, or a savory avocado toast, these options will satisfy your taste buds while nourishing your body from the inside out.